What's up everybody, it's your boy Justin with Herbal.Lyf.styl, and today we're going to talk about summer pruning, what to do, how to do it, and why to do it. Alright, let's get into it. If you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe to Herbal.Lyf.styl. And if you have any questions or stories you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. If you find this video informational, please share it with at least one friend. Okay, first I really like to talk about what's been going on. See, we have this beautiful Pakistani mulberry tree. I mean, it's massive, right? And that's the thing, during summer, these trees love to grow. The issue is, we've had some really heavy monsoons, and because of that, you can see the trunk is leaning. It was actually almost falling over completely. We got it staked up, but the tree is still too heavy for its own good, so it still likes to lean. We're gonna get this whole section removed, and then we're gonna top it a little, and we're gonna remove some of this section to just kind of even it up. And I can't actually show you the action that's gonna take place because we don't have a tripod at the moment. However, I will get back to you and I'll show you what this looks like when it's all said and done. When pruning a tree, you never wanna go straight like this. Everything I just did right now was wrong. You see this? I cut straight at a flat angle. I cut way above the node, okay? This is a no-no. Here's another no-no. Don't cut above the node this much. All of this is going to die, okay? What is a right way to cut? Okay, so we get the blade at a 45-degree angle following the node, nice and close to the node. We cut. There will be nothing that dies, and that node's gonna push off beautiful growth. All right, so let's go over what just happened here. So I left everything on the ground so you can visibly see how much was actually removed from this plant during the summertime. These plants are very vigorous, very hardy plants. They can take a nice cutting in the summer. Some plants you want to avoid cutting them this much. However, this one was leaning significantly. So now you can see the symmetry of this tree now is a lot straighter. You know, we still have the kink in the kink in the trunk at the bottom, but then it goes straight. And in reality of this, in 15-20 years, you will never see this kink. This kink will look so solid. So that's nothing to really worry about. As long as the structure of this tree is straight and heading in the right direction, that's what we're looking for. Over here, you can see we took off this major branch, okay? You definitely don't need that much weight pulling down on your tree. And here is a Pakistani that still hasn't been pruned. This one will be the next one that gets pruned. So again, this one's actually nice and straight. You can see it's doing really well. So we're just gonna go around and clean up some of the edges and get some of the weight off of this plant. And it is done. All right, now that it's done, I just wanna go over some tips on summer pruning. Okay, tip number one, make sure your blade is clean. Do not use a dirty, rusty old blade. Make sure your blade is sanitized, clean, because you do not wanna spread disease when it's nice and hot and bacteria spreads easily. 2, make sure your blades are sharp. Don't have unsharpened blades when pruning, ever, because you are going to damage the tree or the plant that you are cutting, and you do not want that. Again, you don't want bacteria and infections reaching your tree and killing them, because you would be sad if this thing died, wouldn't you? And the third thing is, do not overthink this. It is not rocket science. Make sure the tree looks straight, cut it up in a way that it looks really presentable, and it's just an art form. So you can't really do a bad job, but you can always do an amazing job. We cut the branches that were affecting the tree, and we made the tree a lot happier now in its new form and new shape. If you ended up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe to Herbal.Lyf.styl. And if you have any questions or stories you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. If you find this video informational and you think it can help somebody, please share it with at least one friend. This is your boy Justin with Herbal.Lyf.styl. Live your life free and keep on growing.